What's up, everyone? Welcome back. It is great to be back in our normal atmosphere, back in town, away from all the chaos of Vegas. It was really fun, really tiring. Got kind of drained out towards the last 2 days, Thursday and Friday. But as soon as that Sema Ignited parade started, we had so much fun. I had my wife with me, and we enjoyed the hell out of it. It felt so awesome driving through that parade. Everybody cheering on the car and asking us to rev it. Revved it a little bit too much. The car started acting weird, pulling out of the show, but it was good. Just that night, I drove it straight home. We were supposed to go driving around the desert, around, I think it's Red Rock Canyon, that's what it's called. But we were supposed to be doing that the next day. I canceled just because the car felt weird. And then especially after that desert photo shoot, driving over all the rocks and everything with these really stretched out tires, I got kind of scared and it started feeling weird. I think it was just all in my head though, because I made it back home, 4.5 hour drive, nothing happened. And this is the first time I'm driving it ever since we came back from Sema. I'm going to be going out to a Taco Tuesday meet that happens every other week. A guy from one of the car crews here in town, Bakersfield Head Turners, DM'd me, saw my car one time on the street, loved it, started inviting me to all their events, and he's a really good guy. He's been showing me around all their events. I've been having a lot of fun getting back in the car scene now that the car's done. So let's head out there. I'm about 30 minutes late. I've been showing up early to the other ones and been getting tired and leaving early, so thought I'd show up a little late to this one in style. Let's go. Let's air up to make it out of the driveway safe and clear and head out. Honestly, I don't think it's in my head, to be honest, because the car just feels wobbly, like it's just going back and forth like this. And that's ever since I got off the desert highway. And also, if you guys watched that video, I had the car lowered down to like 25 PSI, which right now I'm riding at ride height, and this is where it's supposed to be. I was at 25 PSI and I drove it for like a quick second because I automatically heard it scraping. And let me turn this around. But yeah, I regret that big time. But after that, it just started feeling weird. So I'm glad that happened. Hold up one second. Sorry, just want to make sure you guys can see me. But as I was saying, I'm glad that happened right at the end of the photo shoot, because after that I just took it straight back to the hotel, parked it. But it still feels wobbly, so I'm due for an alignment as well, because the car's starting to lean to the right a little bit after the new wheels. But it doesn't feel right, so I'm hoping I can make it to this meet and make it back home and get an alignment done and get it checked out this week. Because it just feels weird. It might still be in my head that I'm still tripping out and everything because it was just recent, but the car feels weird, and you know that gut feeling, you know your own car and how it's supposed to drive. Even with all these mods, I know how this car feels, and it just feels different to me. I'm almost there at the meet, but while it's still just me and you guys, me and the fans, I just wanted to real quick thank you guys so much for supporting the channel so far. I know we don't upload as much, and when we do, you guys show it. Show the love, show the appreciation. So I'm trying, Alan's trying, we're both doing our best to try and make as many videos as we possibly can. But thank you all for the support. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure to share, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and tell everyone else that you know we will be dropping more videos. The man himself, TJ Hunt, has spoken in the last video, if you haven't seen it, day 1 of Sema, when I met with him, that we need to be more consistent. Supposedly right here, which I don't see a bunch of cars. Damn, did it get canceled? Am I the only one? Let's see. Oh, there they are. Small little casual meet. Everybody's out here in the back. It wasn't the type of car meet I thought it was. It was more of actual, like a car crew, just get together, sat down, had dinner, talked a bit about next events that are coming up and everything. So it was more of a car club meeting than an actual like just casual car meet. But sorry, I didn't know. They advertised it as like a car meet, but it was pretty cool. It was still chill. Really liking being part of the club and everything. I don't know if I'm like officially in or not, and I'm not 100% sure if I want to be like tied down to a crew yet. Because I'm not as active as I should be if I was going to be in a crew. So I still show up to all the events. We were talking about the winter toy drive, so any of my followers who are local in the Southern California area, it'll be at the Button Willow racetrack or Kern racetrack, whatever it's called. You can come out. Make sure to come out December 18th. We'll be definitely posting some flyers and everything. They're going to send it to me, and we'll get that sent out to everyone. But for the most part, that's all that tonight was really about, was just meeting and talking about upcoming events. So I'll see you guys next on the next video, but make sure, please, sorry I got cut off, guys, but that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry for wasting a little bit of time on this one, but still loved making the video for you guys. So see you next one. Thank you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.